Ready to hop through Tick-Tock and steam? Let's bounce into Benny and the Tick-Tock Tumblecloud, where giggles keep the skies spinning. Want to know how a bunny fixed the sky with a hop and a giggle? Benny didn't mean to fly. He just bounced a bit too high during beachside bowings and landed on a soft, seamy puff that giggled. Did that cloud just laugh? Benny blinked, ears twitching. It wasn't just any cloud. This one puffed moonlight steam, spun sparkly gears, and wore a shiny brass sign. Clockwork Cloud, weather made with whimsy. He tiptoed past the rain rumbler, wiggled beneath a thunder tumbler, and slid down the snowflake slide. Everything whirred and blinked, except one thing, the giggle-meter. It was stuck, silent, still. A steam puff sighed. Without giggles, no tickles. Without tickles, no rainbows, Benny gasped. That's serious. He stretched his paws, fluffed his ears, and got ready to try the silliest fix ever. Bowing! A hop onto the sunbeam dial. Sprowing! A somersault over the breeze pipes. Zoink! A double ear wiggle right onto the giggle-meter's nose. Click! Crank! Cackle! The meter spun. The gears whirred. A lightning bolt let out a giggle snort that lit up the whole sky. Rain fell like jelly beans and chuckled as it hit the ground. Snowflakes sang bedtime lullabies. The wind whooshed in loop, D-loops, whistling the silliest tune ever heard. Benny did a victory loop, D-loop, and beamed. The skies are back. The cloud let out one last ha, and puffed him gently back down to the sand. Back in Tailtown, the skies never quite rain the same again. And sometimes, when a rainbow tickles your toes, that's Benny's bounce, giggling up in the clouds. If you dance through the dream, like, share, and subscribe to the team.